This script is designed to track the International Space Station in real time and display its path on an interactive map. Here's how it works. The script first connects to a public API that provides the current latitude and longitude of the space station. It does this every few seconds, based on the interval you choose. Each new location is saved, along with the time it was recorded. The program keeps a rolling history. For example, you can set it to only show the last 1 hour of positions, or longer if you want. The map itself is built with a tool called Folium that lets us generate an HTML map file that you can open in your web browser. Older positions of the station are shown as small gray dots, so you can see the path it has traveled. The most recent position is shown with a red rocket marker, so you always know exactly where it is now. To make it easier to watch in real time, the map automatically refreshes itself in your browser every 30 seconds, or whatever refresh rate you set. On the very first update, the program will even open the map for you automatically. After that, it simply keeps saving new versions as the station moves. There are a few settings you can adjust at the top of the script. You can change how many hours you want to track, how often it checks for updates, how big the rolling window of positions should be, and even the default zoom level on the map. To set this up, you'll need Python installed, along with the requests and Folium libraries. Once those are installed, you just run the script, and the tracking starts right away. Possible uses include classrooms, science projects, or just personal curiosity. It's a fun way to follow the space station as it orbits Earth about every 90 minutes, and to actually see the path it takes over time.